Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is brought to you by Wondess Hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very nice and sleek straight look. So if you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright, so they sent me 4 bundles of their Peruvian straight hair in 222 inches and 224 inches, as well as a 20-inch closure. So I took these bundles and I made this wig using the hot glue gun method. And if you don't know how to do that method, I do have a few videos on how to do that, and I'll link those in the description box for you guys. Alright, so I made the wig off camera using the hot glue gun method, and I'm just showing you guys the construction of the cap. And now I'm just going to be styling this wig on my head for you guys. So I usually do middle parts of straight hair, but I wanted to do a side part today. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do that. I'm going to first take my rat tail comb and define the parting space. And then to mold the parting space, I'm going to use some foam wrap. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off of the closure. And right now I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued hairspray, and I'm just going to spray that all over the closure. I didn't have to do too much to get this closure to lie flat. It was very easy to apply. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray my wig with the John Frieda Frizz Ease heat protectant before I apply the heat. And I'm going to take my hot comb and run it through the roots. Alright, so I'm just going to be using my flyaway tamer to get all of my flyaways laying flat. And after that, I'm just going to use my hot comb again to further lay down the roots. And then I'm going to be using my INFINITI PRO flat iron from Conair, and this is my first time using it. This is a 2-inch flat iron, and because it's wider, you're going to be able to cover a lot more space more quickly. And that's all I'm going to do for the rest of the video. You'll see me lay down my edges and everything like that, and I'll come back to you guys with the final review. Alright guys, so I am back and I have finished styling this wig that I made from Wondess Hair. Lately I've been doing a lot more frontals and stuff this year. I do realize that closures are a lot easier to style because you're just working with like a 4x4 area instead of, you know, 13x4 or 13x6. Yeah, so I made this wig using the hot glue gun method, and I did bleach the knots on the closure. Before and after picture of what the density of the closure looked like, and I did tweeze out the hairline of the closure because it did come a bit thicker and it was very straight. So that's why it looks a lot more natural. After I made it using the hot glue gun method, I washed it. I showed you guys how I applied it. I'm probably going to be doing a lot more closures or just mixing it more into my videos, because you can make your closures look like frontals. And the good thing about closures is I only had to work with this little area right here, this 4x4 area, and I didn't have to worry about like trying to get my tabs, trying to get the lace around my ear to lay down, because that's my actual like baby hair right here. And the baby hair you see right here is from the wigs. Yeah, so the longest bundle is 24 inches. And here's my belly button right here. I'm trying to fit all of the hair in this frame, and it's hard to do, especially in this shallow space I'm in, but that's where it falls on me, and there's my belly button. I used almost all 4 bundles, so just about 4, but not quite all 4 bundles. So this wig is very, very thick. This is super long. So if you're shorter than me and you don't want your hair to be, you know, down to your butt, you might want to go with like 20 inches or even 18. This was my first time using the INFINITI PRO flat iron from Conair, and this is a 2-inch. I picked this up off of Amazon when I was ordering other supplies, like hair supplies and stuff. I think this was about $35, $34. And so far, for the first time, this is my first time using it, it works pretty well. It heats up very, very quickly, which I appreciate. This has like, you know, digital dials and stuff on the side. For my initial review, I feel like this hair is beautiful, and I'm so in love with how this hairline looks. You guys are gonna see more closures on my channel. I'm actually gonna come with a update for you guys on this wig, so let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see, this hair curled, if you just want to see like it straight like this again. Let me know if you want me to color it, just let me know. I really like this black though, so I think I might just keep it in its natural color, but let me know what you want me to address in the update video for this hair. I want to thank Wondess Hair for sending me this hair, and I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at iFancyCupcakes, and make sure your notifications are turned on so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I also wanted to include the giveaway winner for my 90K giveaway that I had going on last week. So congratulations to you. Thank you guys again for supporting my channel and getting me to 90K. And now we're on the road to 100K. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.